Hello crafters, welcome to Elf Creations. In today's video, do you remember this Easter Bunny trail set that I got from the pound store? I've done a haul video on my G's Creations channel. I'll link that video so it pops out now. You get 26 bunny paws, 13 Easter egg and 8 arrows. Now when I saw these Easter eggs, I thought automatically C9 bulbs. That's the kind of impression that came into my mind. So I thought these cute Easter eggs, that all you do is you just punch them out of their cardstock, and I can make these into really simple and cute Christmas tags. So here's a few that I've done. And all I'm literally going to do is, using my mirrored cardstock, which I have here, and I need to make it so it's wide enough. So let's cut some of this away. Let's cut that in half, and I'm going to place this mirrored cardstock through my crimper, and I'm going to crimp the whole lot. And then all you need to do is cut lengths. Now I kind of figured that for this size kind of egg, I was thinking more about an inch. So I'm going to cut this into, I'm going to cut this into inch lengths using my cutter, and then I can cut them so they're approximately how many lines is that? You've got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. And then you can either glue them on the front here, or you can glue them on the back. Now I'm going to simply use some of my good old trusty art glitter glue, and I'm going to put some art glitter glue on the back and glue that on. Now, using a stamp set from May Made It, if I can find it, where are you? Here we are. This is my stitched shape stamp set. And I'm going to use the to and from. I'm going to use the kind of ornate to and from. Grab my 1-inch blocks, to and from, using my Memento ink. To and from, and then using my crocodile, I am just simply going to put a hole in the top, grab hold of some baker's twine, whichever colour you want to use, and then I'm just going to do a slip knot. So for something that's designated Easter, you can make some really cute tags. Now you could, if you wanted to, you could stamp an image on the front to make it more festive, but for me, I don't think they need it. So I'm going to stamp all these, and I'm going to attach some baker's twine, and I'm going to call these done. So that was from a pound shop Easter pack, and I'm getting quite a few. I'm getting, well, let me have a look on the packaging. Now I'm going to be getting 13 tags out of an Easter pack that cost me £1. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you very soon with another Easter craft, another Christmas craft. Thank you now, take care, bye bye.